Before a human can go to space, a long and extremely strict preparation begins. Space is not like Earth. There is no air, no gravity like we feel here, and even a small mistake can be dangerous. Astronauts first go through intense physical training. Their bodies must be strong enough to handle extreme pressure. Then comes simulation training. They practice inside machines that mimic zero gravity. They learn how to move, float, and control their body in space. They also train for emergencies, like oxygen failure, system breakdown, or communication loss. Even eating and sleeping in space is different. Everything must be learned before the mission begins. Astronauts also wear special spacesuits. These suits protect them from extreme heat, cold, and vacuum. Finally, after years of preparation, they are ready to leave Earth. But even then, space remains one of the most dangerous places ever explored.